The story, My Dream Job. My name is Tom, and I am 10 years old. I go to school, but I often think about what I want to be when I grow up. There are many jobs and professions, and I find them all interesting. My dad is a doctor. He helps sick people get better. Every day, he goes to the hospital and takes care of patients. He says being a doctor is hard work, but it is also very rewarding. My mom is a teacher. She works at a school, where she teaches young children how to read and write. She loves her job because she enjoys helping kids learn new things. At school, we talk about different jobs. My friend Sarah wants to be a nurse. She says she likes to help people, just like my dad. My other friend, Jack, wants to be a firefighter. He thinks it would be exciting to put out fires and save lives. As for me, I want to be a pilot. I love airplanes, and I think flying would be so much fun. I want to travel around the world and see new places from high in the sky. In our class, we also discuss what people do at their jobs. A chef cooks food in a restaurant, a police officer keeps people safe, and a builder constructs houses and buildings. One day, I hope to become a pilot and fly big airplanes. I know I have to study hard and learn a lot to achieve my dream. But for now, I am happy to learn about different jobs and imagine what the future might hold.